So, you made a new character from your old character, but you really don't want to weight paint everything all over again. Not a problem. But real quick, I learned how to do this from Artsy's vid over here. So check that out in case you want to see another example in action. Anyway, this works best if your new character has similar body proportions to the old one. But don't worry, it's okay if you have to make adjustments to the joints if the proportions are different. For example, in the original model of Blenda, she was barefoot. But the new outfit that I've designed for her has heels. So in edit mode, I'm gonna delete these extra toes and move this one around here. Once you've got the bones in the right place, give the shoes a paint job that looks kinda like this. Now, make sure that the new body has no modifiers and no vertex groups. Go to object mode, click the armature, into the running man, and put it on reset position. Click the original, shift click the new body, go to weight paint mode, go to weights, transfer, set vertex mapping to nearest face interpolated, ray radius to 5, source layers selection to by name, go back to modifiers, armature, set object to armature, change this back to post position, and you're done. Congratulations! All of the hard work and detail that you put into the original weight paint job is now instantly being applied to the new one. Hope that helps. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.